Tell me about this airplane we're gonna buy.
I was just talking about this big bike jets.
By what? You said you were gonna fly an airplane. You're an airplane brother? Is that what you said?
Yeah, they're bigger, like babies. And babies are little.
Babies are little.
And I'm not little.
No. Well, what do airplane brothers do?
They fly across the jets.
Across the what?
Jets.
What's that?
It's caves.
Oh, the caves. Oh, wow. Why do they fly across the caves?
Because they live in the caves.
They do? Ooh, I wonder what that's like to live in a cave.
That's a hiding spot.
It's a hiding spot.
Yeah,
Why are they hiding?
because those little brothers, they fly across under the cross levers. Under the lever, they gonna live in the what do they fly into?
I don't know. You said they fly across the caves.
I think they fly across the left.
What's that?
They live at America.
Oh, in America?
I want to go at America.
You do? Well, that's a good thing because you're in America.
Yeah. Well, this is Pensacola.
Yes, you're right. It's Pensacola.
Well, I want to change this house.
You do? What are you going to change about this house?
I ain't going to go in a cave.
Well, you don't want to live in the house anymore? You want to live in a cave?
Oh, how cute.
Really?
Oh.
A cave might be scary.
Well, you might be there. Well, I will save you from the bad guys.
There's bad guys? Oh, I don't want to be by the bad guys.
I can kill them. I'm karate man.
You are? I thought you were the airplane brother.
Fine, and I can do karate.
The
I'm
airplane brother does karate? No way.
Well, I'm not scared of the dark. Oh, there is airplane brothers.
Oh, is that right? Yeah, it's dark outside, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I can find airplane brothers.
You can.
Yeah. Where's my?
So then what do you do?
I just got it up to right here.
You got an ouchie. How did you do that? Fighting off the bad guys?
Yeah. They're good guys, though.
There are good guys too?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you're one of those good guys, aren't you?
Well, they're dead. I got them on my. They're dead. They're dead.
Who is?
Those bad guys.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm gonna go in a cave.
Well, why do you want the bad guys to be dead? They're people too.
No, they're not.
They just need help. Maybe they haven't met Jesus yet, and that's why they
No,
don't
they're
know.
not.
They don't know how to be good.
They're bad girls. They have bad girls.
No, you need to tell them about Jesus, and they don't have to be bad anymore.
They're bad. I'm not gonna go. I hate bad guys.
Well, don't say that. Bad guys are just people who are hurting, and so they do things bad because
Well,
they
I
don't know.
can do karate. They're bad. They cannot do karate.
Well, they can't.
They're not airplane brothers. I'm an airplane brother.
Oh, you're an airplane brother. Okay.
Well,
So are you going to become a pilot and fly airplanes one day?
no, I don't have an airplane. I don't want to go to Brazil.
When you're an adult, you don't want to fly airplanes?
I want to fly like I'm a kid.
Like you're a what?
I want to fly. I want to say like I'm a kid.
Like you're a kid.
And play.
Okay. How does a kid fly?
He do like this. He buttons this, and he buckles his seatbelt, and he butts this button, and he tune it right here
Oh, okay.
into a safe book.
Oh, is that right?
Mhm.
Okay. As long as everybody's safe.
Yeah, you gotta put on your seatbelt.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gotta do it.
Mhm.
Buckle up so we can be safe.
So you won't get scared.
Don't want to get scared.
And we'll get in a cave.
Okay.
How cute are the bad guys? Well, people are in the street
Why are they in the street?
because they're playing soccer in the street.
They're playing soccer in the street?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as they're having fun and nobody gets hurt.
I'm not playing soccer.
You're not, but people are? Okay. They should watch for cars, shouldn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw one guy that's blue.
A car that's blue?
Mhm.
Oh, cool. Is it a punch buggy?
Yeah.
Did you get Caleb? Did you say, Caleb, punch buggy blue?
Yeah. But don't.
And I bet Caleb said, no punch packs. No.
Yes. Caleb's awake.
No, he's asleep.
He's awake.
He's asleep.
I heard him.
Time for you to go to sleep, too. Yes, sir.
I don't want to go to sleep.
Yes, sir.
I don't want
Oh,
to.
but you need to.
I hate going to sleep
Why?
because I don't like to.
Everybody needs sleep.
I don't want sleep
Why?
because I hate sleep.
Why?
Because I don't like sleep.
Why?
Because I don't like being sleepy.
I'm just messing